Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and motivate me so that I will give you more information. How many dipeptides can be formed by 20 amino acids? So they are giving 20 amino acids and dipeptide contains 2 amino acids. So what we have to do? Total number of dipeptide is equal to 20 power 2 because dipeptide is given, so we are putting here 2. So it will be 20 into 20, that is equal to 400. So in this way we can say that 400 dipeptides can be formed by the 20 amino acids. Now we'll go for the another one. Just similar to that, how many tripeptides are contained in 20 different amino acids? Now I am asking tripeptide. At that time you have to write down total tripeptide is equal to n power r, where n is the number of different amino acids, given 20 different amino acids, and r is the length of the tripeptide. So how many A, B, C I am writing? A, B and C. So length 3 peptides are there, so it will 3 amino acids are there, so we have to write down 3. So here it will be the total tripeptide is equal to 20 power 3, that is 20 into 20 into 20. So answer will be 8,000. So there will be 8,000 different tripeptide can be formed from the different amino acid. Again I will repeat this. When dipeptide is there, so I have written 20 power 2. When tripeptide is given, I have written here, see, 20 power 3, because tripeptide means 3 amino acid, dipeptides mean 2 amino acids should be there in the peptide. Okay, dipeptide. 2 amino acids are linked through the amide linkage. Here 3 amino acids are linked with the amide linkage, and 20 amino acids are given, so 20 power 3, so 8,000 tripeptides can be obtained. Here 400 dipeptides are obtained. Clear to you? So in this way, very easily you can find out how many di and tripeptides can be obtained when they are giving you 20 amino acids. Now I will tell you numeric helpful for remembering 9 essential indispensable amino acid. Numeric means here only one alphabet is given. So P, V, T, T, I, M, H, I, L, L. Very intelligently you can write down it. Private team on hill. Private team on hill. So this is TIM. I have written wrong, TEAM, that is wrong, but to remember it, that private team on hill. So see, phenylalanine, valine, and this is 309. Then in this team, tryptophan, isoleucine and methionine, and here again histidine, leucine